Welcome woodpeckers, Martin Jensen here. Today I'm making a tent-like structure in front of the cabin so I can be working outside in all kinds of weather. Since this structure is more or less going to be a tent, it doesn't need to be perfect. So I'm not going to bother too much with the exact watering measures and the things I normally would have done, but I'm gonna make it so that it looks kind of symmetric. I'm gonna show you how I always start my projects. By making a drawing, then I can calculate how much lumber I need, and I will get the general idea of how this is gonna work out. You've seen the drawing, you've seen the dream, let's get to it. Now the construction is complete, at least the skeleton of it. I have this sail from a sailing yacht. It was supposed to be trashed, but I'm going to use it as a roof for my new building. Now, in order to keep this structure nice and solid, even during the hardest storms, we need to set up a support beam over here and on the other side. Well done, now the structure is complete. I've got a sail above my head so I don't get water drizzling on me when it starts to rain, and having this white sail on top of this will also help me much more with the exposure problems I've had while filming. Between, you know, there's sun, and when the clouds get in front of the sun it changes, and here I will be more in control of the elements. Well done. Well, I have nothing more to say really, so see you in a week.